So here let's look at the LeetCode challenge, the two-city scheduling. So the problem prompt gives that we have 2 people and they are flying to either city A or city B. And the cost of going to city A is cost I0, and the cost of going to city B is cost I1. That's in the list. So this is going to be cost of going to A, cost of, and these are the cost of going to B. So the goal here is that we want to minimize the cost to fly, and we want to fly N people to city A and N people to city B. So how do we approach this problem? We could sort the list, but sorting on A or B doesn't really help the problem because you never know. Maybe, say for example, we sort this list on the in the input here. We have 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, 200, 450, and these are sorted based on A, but in this case, we are not taking into account what values the cost of going to B is, and this could be creating problems if we are only like sorting with respect to one city. So to think about the problem, the core of us to get a minimum cost is that we want to increase the margin. We want to look at the margin between going to the cost of going to city A versus city B, and the margin here we define it as the difference between the cost of going to B and A. So if we could increase the margin of this, we could actually, this will help us to determine that we wanted to pick city A because ultimately we wanted to minimize what's going on. So here concretely what I mean is let's look at the margin, okay? So going to city A and going to city B. And these are the items in the list. Then the margin, B minus A, be 10, 170, 350, and 10. So if we sort this, over here, we'll get sorted delta goes from 350, here. So we want to take the difference, and these are minus. So if we rank it, it will be 170, 10, minus 10, and 350. And the corresponding input will be 30, 200, 10, 20, 30, 20, and last one, 450. So as we mentioned, the top N person, we wanted to go to A because they are the ones that maximize the margin, and in that sense we will pick A that could actually minimize the cost. So in these cases we will select the cost from A, and then the rest will be going to B. And as we can see here, if we sum them all up, 110 is the value we are looking for. Now we would like to see how do we code it up, and here is the Python code for this. So first of all, we are gonna sort it based on the key, and the key here is the marginal cost, and this will be the cost of going to B and the cost of going to A, so we take the difference as the marginal cost. And then since we have, say here, if we have N people, then half of them will be going to city A, and these are the ones with the marginal cost ranked the highest, the first half of these with the highest marginal cost. And the other half of the people will be going to B, and if we sum them all up, this is going to be the total cost and also the minimal cost to go to the two cities. Okay, hope you like it, and if you have any suggestions for the video, please put it in the comments. It's my first time making it, and I hope to create more content in the future. Thank you.